With the emergence of factory chicken farming has gradually developed from floor raising on the ground to cage raising. Not only is the scale large, but it also saves labor resources and material resources. Take broiler cages as an example. Broiler cages are necessary for farmers to raise chickens. So what benefits does using broiler cages to raise chickens bring to farmers? High level of automation, automatic feeding, drinking, manure cleaning, cooling pads to adjust the temperature inside the house, centralized management and intelligent control. It not only saves energy consumption, but also reduces artificial breeding costs and greatly improves breeding efficiency. Saves space, increase the breeding density. The cage density is more than 3 times higher than the floor raising. Save breeding feed, effectively reduce feed waste. Chickens are kept in cages. Their exercise is reduced, and automatic feeding and drinking are used, which effectively avoids waste of feed and water and saves breeding costs. Sturdy and durable. The complete set of chicken cage equipment adopts hot dip galvanizing process, which is corrosion resistant and aging resistant, and its service life can be as long as 15 to 20 years. In short, raising chickens in cages has many advantages over raising them on the ground. Regardless of whether they are chicks or adult chickens, they can be raised in cages.